Good evening. We're going to do a Samhain themed guided meditation to meet your spirit guides tonight. As you know, each month we do a free guided meditation on Zoom through Cosmic Connections. And then we take that theme to the third week where we learn something with the divination to connect with the guides a little bit more. So our next class on Zoom is in 2 weeks, and we will be working a little bit more with Samhain or Halloween themed divination. So stay tuned for that information in this email that you'll receive with this video. But for tonight, I want you just to become very comfortable. Find a quiet space where you'll not be disturbed. Go ahead and sit or lie down, allowing your body to relax. If you happen to fall asleep, that's okay because that's what your body needs. If you happen to get lots of messages, that is what your soul is needing. If you happen to just get one simple word, this is the message the universe is wanting you to know. You may feel, see, or know when you're meeting with your spirit guides. There's no competition, there's no comparison. You just openly allow it to come to you, and then we'll talk about it at the end. So gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Let's breathe in again through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Begin to let go of any tension that you may have in your body and focus on the present moment. As we celebrate Samhain, the time when the veil between the physical and the spiritual worlds is at its thinnest, we will journey across this veil to meet our spirit guides. Let's continue to breathe in and breathe out. Bring your awareness to your breath, and with each exhale, let your body sink deeper into relaxation. Starting at your feet, release any tension in your toes and arches. Maybe wiggling your toes in and out, squeezing them and releasing them. Slowly move up through your legs, relaxing your calves, your knees, and your thighs. Let your hips relax, allowing any stress to melt away. And allowing the relaxation to move upwards, releasing tension from your stomach, from your chest, and from your shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out. As you exhale, allow your arms to grow heavy as you relax your hands and your fingers. And then finally release any tension in your neck, your face, and your scalp. Squeeze your eyes together, squeeze your face, relax, and feel your entire body sinking deeper into the surface beneath you. Breathe in and breathe out. I would like for you to visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet, extending deep into the earth. These roots connect you to the ancient wisdom of the earth, grounding and protecting you. I would like for you to feel the energy of the earth rising through your roots and filling your body with a sense of safety and stability. As you take in a deep breath in, draw the grounding energy up, and let it clear any lingering doubts or fears. You're safe, you are secure, and you're supported on this journey. Now begin to imagine yourself walking along a forest path. The cool breeze of autumn is brushing against your skin. It feels very cool. It feels exhilarating. But the cool breeze just begins to swirl all around you, giving you a beautiful hug. You take in a breath and you feel exhilarated. You take a look around and you notice that the trees are tall and ancient. Their leaves are glowing with the golden hues of fall. And as you walk, you notice the path growing darker. It's illuminated only by the soft glow of the full moon above. And you feel a gentle pull guiding you forward. You notice that the full moon is following you, and the path continues to get a little darker and darker. As you continue to walk, you see a clearing with a glowing mist hovering above the ground. This mist is the veil between the worlds. It's thin and shimmering in the moonlight. As you approach it, you begin to feel a deep sense of peace, a deep sense of reverence. It feels magical. It feels as if it is part of you. When you're ready, I want you to step through the veil, knowing that your spirit guides are waiting to meet you on the other side. On the other side of the veil, you find yourself in a beautiful sacred space. The space may look different for each of you. It may be a beautiful goddess temple. It may be a meadow full of flowers. It may be a place from where you just visited. I would like for you to take a few moments to observe the details, feeling safe and welcomed. As you stand in the sacred space, I would like for you to call out to your spirit guides. You may say in your mind or you may say it aloud. I invite my spirit guides to come forward and to meet with me. I invite them to share their wisdom and their knowledge of my path and of who I am truly meant to be. You begin to notice how the energy around you shifts as your guides begin to make their presence known. You may see them in a form you recognize, or you may sense them as a light, color, or you may feel them. There may be one, there may be two. Many times I've always said that we have spirit guide councils that are anywhere from 5 to 7 or 8 guides at a time. These guides may be angels, guardian angels, archangels. They may be fairies or dragons or elementals. But tonight, as we cross through the veil, you may need to look at possibly ancestral guides, goddesses, deities, ones that connect with Samhain ones that connect with going through the veil and coming back. I want you to take the time to connect with your guides. They may talk to you about guidance on where you're going or what you're doing. They may bring you messages from the other side, from those that have passed through the veil and that is now their home. Or they may simply share with you their loving presence, their love, their peace. If you have any questions for them, now is the time to ask. You don't have to know their name. You don't even have to see them. You can hear, you can feel. You just have to know that they are here to support you. And they're not here just during Samhain or Halloween, but throughout your life. Take a few moments for questions and asking for guidance. I would like for you to feel the deep connection and the bond that is growing between you and your spirit guide councils. This connection is honoring the sacred meeting. They are asking for you to trust in the wisdom that they are sharing with you. And if no wisdom or no words or no visions come, know that they're still with you. They're offering their energy, they're offering their protection, maybe possibly asking them to show you a color. And this color may represent protection, it may represent love, or it may be a sign that you may see to help guide you in the directions that you're going in. Take a few moments to look around at your sacred space. Many times there are gifts, messages, words that are there in your temple, your meadow, your memory. Maybe even it's things that you might have seen before and you took for granted that it was just there, but it's something very, very, very important. Something very simple and something very loving. One of the things that we can do through the veil is to help bring this energy throughout the dimensions of where the veils reach. Our energy, our healing, our messages can travel through time, through space, to places that need our love and healing, to people that need our love and healing. to animals that need our love and healing. So, as you're feeling your deep connection and bond between you and your guides, ask them to hold your hand, form a circle, and send energy from your heart chakra out into the world. Allow it to go out to wherever is needed, the healing and the love, the guidance and the help. Allow it to transcend through the back of the veil to the front of the veil, back to our dimension. You notice as the energy goes through the veil, people who have passed are finding peace. As it travels through dimensions, people in time and space are finding peace. As we begin to return to the physical world, you're going to bring the time and peace as well. Take a few moments just to envision what it is that you wish to feel, the beautiful love and guidance that you have tonight. When you feel ready, I would like for you to thank your spirit guides for their presence and their guidance. They will continue to walk with you even after this meditation, and they will be with you whenever you need them. Slowly begin to make your way back to the veil, and as you step back through, feel the transition from the spirit world to the physical world. What kind of energy do you feel? The mist parts as you walk, and you find yourself once again on the forest path. You feel the cool breeze again. You can feel the dampness of the dew. And as you walk back, I want you to pay attention to how peaceful and grounded you feel. Carrying the wisdom and the energy of your guides with you. The moonlight begins to gently fade, and soon you will arrive back where you started. I would like for you to feel your body where it rests in the present moment. And bring your awareness back to the room around you, gently wiggling your fingers and toes. Taking a deep breath in, allowing yourself to fully return to your physical body, feeling grounded and centered. You may want to take a little stretch, maybe move your body just a little. And when you're ready, I would like for you to slowly open your eyes. You've crossed the veil, you've connected with your spirit guides. So take a moment in your journal to reflect on any messages or feelings that you've received, and know that your guides are near you, always, offering their love and support. Take your time coming back to here, hoping that you feel refreshed, empowered, and deeply connected.